The ultrasonic NL camera is a complete solution for detecting partial discharges. Using the NL camera requires minimal training due to its automated settings and intuitive user interface. Turn on the NL camera by connecting the power supply. Make sure that the red dots are aligned. A fully charged battery will last for up to 6 hours. If you are using a dual-mode camera, first make sure it is in partial discharge mode. The NL camera's detection range is up to 100 meters. For the most accurate results, we recommend a distance of 20 meters or less. By switching to the multiple source mode, you can display several sound sources at the same time. However, displaying one source is usually enough. The NL camera analyzes the dominant sound source, which is indicated by the small crosshair on the screen. Usually you do not have to adjust the filter settings, but in some rare cases you might have issues with interfering noise. You can then try adjusting the filter settings to make certain sound sources clearer than others. To take a snapshot, press the camera button and name your snapshot. To upload snapshots to the NL cloud, enable Wi-Fi in the camera settings. The connected NL camera will automatically upload your snapshots to the cloud. You may adjust screen brightness and zoom in or out with the camera. Sometimes you might see sound sources in places where there shouldn't be any. These sources are reflections or interference caused by another sound source. If the sound moves around, it is most likely a reflection or interference. If the source stays in one place when you move the camera, you have located an actual sound source. Reflections are not necessarily a problem. They can be used to your advantage to reveal sound sources that are hidden behind other objects. The sound source may also be hidden inside an object, appearing at a seam or crack of the enclosed compartment. The NL camera product package includes the NL camera unit, the battery, a battery cable, a battery charger, a camera bag, 2 USB memory sticks, a lanyard that goes around the wrist, and the camera's documentation. Optional accessories are a hard case for the camera and an NL camera calibrator. This is all you need to know to get started detecting partial discharges with the NL camera.